Hi guys, in this video I will list some best YouTube channels for online marketing. Guys, as a blogger, you have to learn digital marketing. You have to promote the blog in a right way. So when you promote your blog in the right way, you will get better results. To promote your blog in the right way, you have to learn the modern digital marketing strategies. To learn the digital marketing tips, techniques, strategies, you have to follow the helpful resources. So in this video I am listing some best YouTube channels to learn online marketing. The first YouTube channel is the Neil Patel. Guys, Neil Patel is amazing guy, and he is the master of online marketing, and you can find amazing value from his blog and YouTube channel. And the channel was created on 19th August 2011, and this channel has 580k plus subscribers and 540 plus videos. And the interesting point is this channel got 23 million plus views. He is sharing the videos consistently on his YouTube channel, Facebook page, and the LinkedIn. So you will find amazing value from his YouTube channel. Just go and subscribe today. The next YouTube channel is the Gary V. Guys, Gary V is a very crazy guy, and he puts a lot of content. You will find a lot of amazing value from his YouTube channels. Not only Gary V, he has multiple YouTube channels. So this Gary V channel was created on 17th October 2007, and this channel has 2.6 million plus views and 2.3k plus videos. And the interesting point is this channel got 189 million plus views, and is sharing mostly marketing, mindset, and motivation. Okay, if you want motivation, daily motivation, if you want marketing tips for your biz, so then you can follow this YouTube channel. You will find amazing insane value from this YouTube channel. Guys, next YouTube channel is the TheDunlop. So guys, this channel was created on 26 July 2014, and this channel has 2.5 million plus subscribers and 1.5k plus videos, and this channel got 159 million plus views. You can find marketing entrepreneur videos on this channel. He is also running his personal blog TheDunlop, and he is the founder of Copywriters, Closers, High Ticket Closers Extra, and he is the best selling author. One of his book is the Unlock Hit. Guys, you can find very helpful tips like closing skills and copywriting skills. So those are very important while dealing products and while selling products. So you have to close the deal. So you can learn the closing skills from his YouTube channel. Guys, next YouTube channel is the Miles Backlash. The channel was created on 15 October 2011, and this channel has 128k plus subscribers and 590 plus videos, and this channel got 6 million plus views. He is sharing practical blogging and digital marketing strategies on this channel. He is also running personal blog Miles Backlash. You can also learn sales funnel, Facebook advertising on this YouTube channel. Guys, next YouTube channel is the Freedom Influencer. This channel was created on 24 April 2014 by Nathan Locus. This channel has 380k plus subscribers and 800 plus videos. This channel got around 14 million plus views. He is sharing marketing, mindset, motivation stuff on this particular YouTube channel. He is also running a blog, Freedom Influencer. Guys, you can find amazing motivation, marketing, and mindset tips on this YouTube channel. Guys, next YouTube channel is the crazy guy Digital Pratik. Guys, Digital Pratik is very crazy guy in content creation. He puts the lot of content on social media. So the Digital Pratik channel was created on 28 August 2015, and this channel has 49k plus subscribers and 580 plus videos, and this channel reached 1 million plus views. He is sharing digital marketing and personal branding strategies on this channel. If you want the very effective personal branding tips, so then you must check out this particular YouTube channel. Guys, next YouTube channel is the Digital Depop. This channel was created on 9th July 2014 by one and only Deepak Kanakaraju. This channel has 59k plus subscribers and 280 plus videos, and this channel got 2 million plus views. Guys, the interesting part about digital Deepak is he come out as a digital marketer from the field of blogging. Now he is running digital Deepak both YouTube channel and blog, and producing the digital marketing tips and strategies and creating courses, and he also running a own agency, Pixel Track. Guys, next YouTube channel is the Hongkoo Agarwal. The channel was created on 23 February 2018 by Hongkoo Agarwal. This channel has 320k plus subscribers, and this channel reached 6 million plus views. He is sharing blogging and digital marketing tutorials on this channel. You can also find make money online videos on this channel. Guys, next YouTube channel is the Siddharth Rajshekar. So guys, he is very crazy guy, and he is mostly teaches about freedom lifestyle. So how you can become freedom in your lifestyle and by coaching to others. So you can start your own coaching program by following Siddharth Rajshekar. This channel was created on 26 September 2011, and this channel has 29k plus subscribers and 170 plus videos, and this channel acquired 1 million plus views. If you want to become an online coach, guys, if you want to become a online course, this is the best and go to YouTube channel for you. Hey guys, I hope this particular video will help you. If you love the video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.